الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lecture, in this video, we are going to learn the lesson number 6 of Madani qaida with tajweed. Before starting this lesson, I especially request to you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you are actually want to learn the Holy Quran with Tajweed. And inshallah, in this channel, complete Quran Pak would be uploaded here, verses by verses, word by word with Tajweed, inshallah. So let's start. The name of so let's start. Basically, the lesson number 6 is the combination of all previous lesson, and this lesson is the implementation of all previous lesson, just like we were learn the lesson number 3 mutaharik, zabar, zabar, zair and pesh are mutaharik letter, and then tanween. Okay, so basically this lesson is the implementation of all previous lesson. So read this lesson in both ways. Rawa means without spelling, just like nazala. Rawa means without spelling, just like nazala, and as well as hije with spelling, just like noon zabarna, za zabarza, naza lam zabarla. Okay, so this lesson will read in both ways, in Rama or hije. Take special care in correctly pronouncing harakat. Harakat means zabar, zir, and pesh. Tanween, tanween means two zabar, two zir, and two pesh. And all the letters, especially the huruf of musta'aliyah. In chapter number 1, we will learn the huruf musta'aliyah. Huruf musta'aliyah basically, Haruf Mustalia is a 7 word, just like Kha, Sqad, Wa, Ta, Wa, Ghain, Qaf. So all these letters are Haruf Mustalia. Do hije in this way: Mim, Zabar, Ma. Mim, Zabar, Ma. Lam, Zer, Li. Lam, Zer, Li. Kaf, Tu, Pesh, Kun. Kaf tu pesh kun. Ma li kun. Mali kun. Mali kun. Ma li kun. Mali kun. And during learning this lesson, we must care the concept of harakat, tanween as well. Okay, just like we were learn the concept of harakat. Harakat, if any letters having zabar, zair, and pesh on it, then these letters are known as harakat letters. Okay, and these letters are reading without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice, just like na. Never read as na. So we will read nazala. Never read as nazala. We will discuss the concept of, we will learn the concept of harakat in the lesson number 3, and we must follow the concept of harakat while studying this lesson. So let's start this lesson. Noon zabar na, za zabar za, naza, lam zabar la, nazala, nazala. So all the letters in this world are belong to harakat letter. Okay. Kho, zabar kho. Lam, zabar la. Khola. Qaf, zabar qa. Khalaqa. So in the first, um, I was said that this lesson is being read without spelling or with spelling, hijje or rama. Sqa, zabar sqa. Dal, zabar da. Sqada. Qaf, zabar qa. Sqadaqa. Ya, zabar ya. Dal, zabar da. Yada. Kaf, zabar ka. Yadaka. Ba, zabar ba. Lam, zabar la. Bala. Ghain, zabar gha. Balagha. Qa, zabar qa. Ba, zabar ba. Qaba. Ain, zabar a. Qaba'a. And now we will read this lesson with without spelling. Okay. Ja'ala, ja'ala. Ja'ala, ja'ala. Ja'ala. Fa'ala, fa'ala. Nawara, nawara. Zakara, zakara. Kasaba, kasaba. Ibili, i. Hamza zer i. Ba zer bi. I bi. Lam zer li. Ibili. Rusulu, rusulu. Rusulu. Suhufu, suhufu. Suhufu. And for studying this lesson, for learning this lesson, we must have learned the previous lesson, because this lesson is the implementation of all the previous five lessons. Okay. Thulufu, thulufu. Sudusu, sudusu. Hurumu, hurumu. Rubu'u, rubu'u. Hamida, hamida. Khatifa, khatifa. Maliki, maliki. Tazidi, tazidi. Tajidu, tajidu. Yaliju, yaliju. Qutila, qutila. Su'ila, su'ila. Quri'a, quri'a. Qamari, qamari. Kibaru, كبار حشير حشير أحدا أحدا مرضا مرضا عملا عملا هدى هدى طوا 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 and never read ya because ya having no zabar zir and pesh and no two zabar two zir two pesh. Okay. Quran 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 masadin masadin thamanin thamanin sakhatin sakhatin غلال غلال فئات فئات sorry عنق عنق نافع نافع صماد صماد غضب غضب لعيب لعيب أذون أذون كتب كتب درجة 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 قردة قردة علاقات علاقات سفارات سفارات شجرة شجرة قطرة قطرة. No, now the lesson number 6 is completed, and if you have any question in this lesson, so you may ask, and inshallah I will give the answer. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.